the summer, man, it feels like yesterday, when she was looking out that window on the bus to second grade. The first step she'd ever take, the first cut from a heartbreak. Been through it all, but now it's time to go our separate ways. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine.
Rolling through Budapest on the yellow tram ride, river on the left and the city by my side. Englishman travel, showing every view, castles, bridges, skies so blue. Trams keep moving through the heart of town, up the hills and all around. Englishman travel on YouTube today. Budapest bridges all the way. Rolling through Budapest on the yellow tram ride, river on the left and the city by my side. Englishman travel, showing every view, castles, bridges, skies so blue. Trams keep moving through the heart of town, up the hills and all around. Englishman travel on YouTube today. Budapest adventures all the way.
Oh, there's a bit of a, there's two options. A long way around, a sort of hiking the country, which is a bit of a mountain climb. You know what I've noticed here in Budapest? There's graffiti everywhere. That must be a really old sign there. Rules. You know, there's double the amount of words in a Hungarian alphabet than there is in a normal European language. So we're still going up. On the way to the Citadel, guys. And it seems like a long pull up there. It's supposed to be worth it for the view. Probably similar to the castle. Let's keep on going up. Oh, that's like a big peak, that church. I missed that. Nice dome. Lovely architecture in Budapest though. Some nice viewpoints from here. Was that balloon still there? Must be tethered, that balloon. I saw it from the cathedral. GPS is going a bit haywire. It's going like along the rocks, it seems. What a lovely view. We made it to the top. Was it worth it? Took about 25 minutes, 1,000 steps. Fantastic views. I don't actually know what the Citadel is. I'll have to. Big statue. I've ruined about 100 selfies. I thought the Citadel. Steve, do your research before you do it. I thought the Citadel was like a small city, but perhaps there is. I'm not as young as I used to be. There's a lot of walks, or in different directions. I'll show you around. This is Selfie Kingdom. On the mountains, do not touch, or you will fall 1,000 feet. Look at the faces as they're coming up. They're knackered. surprised me how big it is. Budapest. Let's walk around the Citadel. Fantastic views. I think there's €5, around €5 to get in or something like that. Small museum, it says. Oh, more stairs. Might as well go to the blooming top. Now we're here. Now we did 1,000 steps. There's a few more. Let's do it. We're going for the top. I don't know where the flag is, the Hungarian flag. There's only another 2,000 steps. We're definitely going to make it. My legs are hurting. Hey, these youngsters up. Oh, that was mine. Because this camera is falling apart. The buttons fell off now. This is the Hungarian flag. And we're finally at the top.
Dat is goed voor te drinken.
No more stairs. We made it to the flag. Oh. Not sure. Oh, there's just some views there. Walk around the top. Museum down there. Let's walk around the views with another couple of hundred people. It got busy all of a sudden. Wow, very, very busy.
Englishman travel wherever he can, with a map upside down in the back of his hand. Englishman walks where the good food smells, finds little bars and stories to tell. Englishman adventures from sunrise to night, missing the bus but still feeling alright. Englishmen travel beaches, temples, trains, collecting happy memories instead of complaints.